Hi there, I'm John from Rise Vision support team, and let's take a look together at Rise Vision's new AI presentation builder. I'm right here in my own account on the presentations tab, and I'm going to go over to the green add presentation button to enter the presentation template library. Here, I can now see there's a generate with AI button, which I'm going to click on, and now I'm provided a chat box where I can provide the information to AI so that it can create me a new presentation. Now, a tip to maximize success when it comes to creating a presentation with AI is that you want to give it a clear goal for your presentation. You also want to provide it the details it has to include. And then you also ideally want to give it a style for the presentation to have a nice new look. Once submitted, it's going to take a moment to look over these details and generate some examples for me. The AI presentation builder has given me 3 examples I can now work with. I can click on any of them to get a better view of what they look like. And if I want to make changes to them, I can include more information in the chat box right here. I think I'm actually pretty happy with this presentation, so I'm going to click the Add Presentation button right now. And now it's added to my presentation list, so I can potentially put it on a display. Rise Vision's AI presentation builder works on a credit system. At the beginning of every single month, you are given credits, and the credits do not roll over to the next month if there's any remaining at the end. An entire account uses the same batch of credits, so it includes all the sub-companies that might also have access to this tool. I hope you have a great time with this AI presentation builder, because I know I definitely am.